the vocabulary also. Fine. So these are something interesting things for you that I have kept just to make you understand that how the important things are, right? If we are writing about the summary, the summary, this comes in the exams, right?
Yes.
So these are idioms. Idioms.
Mm,
Yeah,
not exactly, but
the tip of the iceberg. That means these are set in the terms of meanings. They are not said directly. If you are not saying any sentence directly, that means you are saying it what? Are you watching something else?
no, I'm not. I'm not watching anything. It's just this idiom is might be something funny. Yeah,
Yes.
something called have a seat.
You know what? This is called,
Human.
right. See,
Yes.
funny is different thing and humor is different thing, right? So to make what our conversation better and you make yourself wise, you have to learn many of these, right? So these are important things. These are like the attraction of the conversation. So it's better to read these. Fine. So that is why I have kept these, just to make yourself a humorous person. A tip of iceberg, a small visible part of a much bigger problem. So when we are in such a condition that is very big, so we generally say that this is the tip of the iceberg. Here we have a lot more problems to face. So these are to be used in the conversation. These will score you marks, right? So this is
Yes.
one is like a kid is talking, right? And one is the intelligent person talks. So there is a difference between the use of words. This is what I am trying to make you understand. The more you will make yourself polished, you will get to know all these words. Go an extra mile, that means to make an extra effort. It is very easy, right? Break the ice to start the conversation or make the people feel comfortable. Bite the bullet to face the difficult situation bravely. So there are many of these. I do make a lot of worksheets like this. These are just for the kids to make them understand, like how the we make our conversations more, you know, what do we say, easy and humorous. You should know the difference between the funny and the humorous, right? So humor is like you under any situation you can use your humor, right? But if the situation is dense or tense, you cannot be funny at that time. So funny is being different and humor is different, right? So now, okay, so let me delete all these, clearing the drawings. So do you know these patterns? Yeah,
Which
just
one?
have formal letters, how these are written, letters, reports, and articles, how these are written. Formal letters, like in addition, we use these words and phrases just to make it more better because there is a difference between letter and report. But what makes the difference is the must to understand. Getting me? Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So why do we call all these things? After all, these are just the words to be written on the page, right? But what is the motto of these things? First, we have to understand that what is a letter, what is a report. These are two different things, and what is an article. So there are precise different terms also that makes it different from each other. In addition, furthermore, consequently, therefore, in conclusion. So these are some words that are to be used in these. So this makes your letters, reports, or whatever it is. This makes it attractive, right? So this makes that furthermore means you are adding something to the previous one. In addition, the same thing. So you are in continuity of writing anything, right? So just like I am son of my father, I am this, my name is this. I said three sentences. This is not the correct form, right? My name is this and this, and I study in this class. Furthermore, and in addition to this, I want to say that I am a humorous person. So this makes a sentence long and meaningful. Understood? You know it?
Mm,
Yes or no?
mm. Idioms or the
No, no,
questions?
no, no. I'm asking, do you know the format of the question paper that comes?
In my old school, this school that just started, it's the school is it's a new one. I in my previous school, I know my previous school's pattern. It was section A,
Yeah.
the section in the exam. It was like this. Section A was yeah, the pastor need a passage and then answer the questions. And section B was grammar. Section C was vocabulary. Then section D my feared my most dreaded part of the exam, creative writing.
Okay, fine. Understood. Fine. So did okay, give me one moment. Is this visible now? How to
Yes,
write the have you got all these? How to write a formal letter, the format of these,
yes.
how to start writing. Like first we have to write our address, date, and then respected sir or dear sir, ma'am, and sir like that. Then the body of the letter. Have you been provided these all things?
Yes, yeah, yes.
Okay. So these are some useful phrases that we have to start with. I am writing to bring your attention or your kind attention to the matter, and then whatever it is asked to write, you have to write all the letter, right? If you are having to suggest, I would like to suggest, I strongly believe that. So these are the openers and the what? What do we call it? Yes, Kondion.
That's so crazy. That's so.
Do you know how to start a sentence other than opening? So, how the report is to be written? Introduction. What is the purpose of the report? Paragraph 1. Detail and example. What do all the things that we have to enclose in this? Second finding, suggestions, recommendations. If there is more to write, second finding, third finding. Likewise, you can do all these. You can keep it expanding, and at the last the aim of this report is to you can close or you can start with this. It is observed that this is the beginning of the second para, third para. In conclusion is always written in the last, right? In conclusion it is recommended that. So this is the report, how to write a report. There are certain formats, right? We earlier discussed it, like speech and article. So, do you know these or no, or not? The formats.
Yeah,
Just,
yes.
just tell me yes or no. Nothing more.
Format. Yes.
Some things you know and some you may not be, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. No worries with this. ठीक है. Okay, so what do we do now? As we have seen, so how much did you understand with this class? I just want to know that what is your observation and how you are going to tell me that what you learned from the last 15 to 20 minutes.
Last 15 to 20 minutes.
Yes, closing.
I probably. Yeah, yeah, probably learn how to
Ah, keep going.
write essays, which I'll probably forget, and how to write writings, which I'll probably forget in the weekend. I'll probably forget, you know, creative writing format, narrative writing,
Okay.
and descriptive writing, which I don't really like.
Okay, fine. No worries with that. Fine. Tell me one thing. So, what is the thing that you understood that is most important in all these?
Um,
Yes,
and this is all these is
vocabulary.
yeah, vocabulary.
Correct.